crazy. What happened, baby? It's October quite plainly. Just give me the baby.
What is up, my darlings? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are doing a Halloween makeup look. Now, I'm not an MUA or nothing, okay? Like, let me just get that out there. I'm not a professional by any means. Saw this really cute spider web makeup tutorial, not a tutorial, but makeup picture. I'm gonna insert it somewhere on the screen, and it just spoke to me. I was like, I need to do this look for Halloween. And I'm a little bit of an artist. Like, I'm not Picasso or nothing, but you know, I can do a little one too. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. First, I'm just gonna do a full face, and then I'll do the spider web design at the end. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to take a eyeliner. I usually use this for my lips, but I recently switched over from the black eyebrow pencil to brown just to make it a little less harsh. So let's go ahead and do that.
I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just it, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right, I got my guy, but I can't help it, I want you, say you right, I got my guy, but
Alright, so the brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my primer, and it's the same primer that I always use. It's the Shimmer Primer that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my skin. As you can see, y'all, I am breaking out a little bit because I was lacking a little bit on my skincare routine, so that's why I'm breaking it out in certain places. But it's completely my fault, y'all. But I'm working on getting it back together, so just ignore that for now. So I'm just going to spread it out, not really fully rubbing it in. And if you can see my lace, just do me a favor and ignore it, okay? That's not what the video is about. It's about this makeup look, so let's focus on that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation and just apply it. So I'm going to take in my C. Tilbury airbrush foundation, but I'm going to use it as concealer for my eyebrows instead, because it's not a perfect match for me. Like, it's not too bad, but it's a little bit too light for my complexion. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my eyeshadow brush and apply it a little bit under my eyebrow.
I know you're mad, he ain't controlling you, but you still hesitate, cause you choose loyalty. I know your history, met him before your peak. He's so connected to that woman that you used to be. But there's times when caught your memory, a couple strokes to put it in the memory. I want you, I could remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just it, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right, I got my guy, but I can't help it, I want you. I gotta remember I want you, I gotta remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just it, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it.
Alright, so now I'm officially done with the eyebrows. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that same foundation and use it as a concealer for my under eye.
But I can't help it, I want you, say you right, I got my eye, but I can't help it, I want you, I could remember I want you, and it's just nerves, just it, making me think about someone stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be, babe, and you never felt the same. You'll be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got a fantasy, and it's me and you and the sea, turning me up through your seas.
So this is the NYX HD concealer. I'm just gonna apply it to the outskirts of my eyes, the inward, like the in part, and then the out part.
I know you're mad, he ain't controlling you, but you still hesitate, 'cause you choose loyalty. I know your history, met him before your peak. He's so connected to that woman that you used to be. But there's times when caught your memory, a couple strokes of put it in the memory. Remember I want you, make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna do with you, and you're right, you're right, got my but I gotta remember I want you, make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right, got my but
Alright, so now I'm done with the basic face. I know people usually use the clear tape, but y'all, I do not have any clear tape, so I'm gonna be using this. There we go. Alright, so for this makeup look, for the spider web, I will be doing a smoky eye, and y'all are probably like, oh my god, here she goes again. I love a smoky eye. So I'm gonna use my Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon. If you're interested in that, I will link it below in the description box. So I'm gonna use this light blue color right here. It's the lightest, it's lighter than this one that I'm gonna, okay, no, I'm gonna use this light blue color, then I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna use black to transition into the smoky eye.
turning me up through your seas. Have you all on top of me? Acting like it's not that deep, boy, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be, really feel it's about to be. I can't tell on me. Remember I want you, make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right. Like you want me to, I feel that energy when you're on top of me. I know you're mad, he ain't controlling you, but you still hesitate, 'cause you choose loyalty. I know your history, met him before your peak. He's so connected to the can't help it, I want you, I want you. Make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right, I want you. Make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right. I can't stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be, babe, and you never felt the same. You'll be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got a fantasy, and it's me and you and the sea, turning me up through your seas. Have you all on top of me? Acting like it's not that deep, boy, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be, really feel it's about to be. I can't tell on me. Remember I want you, make it remember I want you, and it's just nerves, it's just deep, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say, I try to hide it in my face, and you don't work, you see through, that I just wanna be with you, and you're right. Girl, I want you like you want me to, I feel that energy when you're on top of me. I know you're mad, he ain't controlling you, but you still hesitate, 'cause you choose loyalty. I know your history, met him before your peak. He's so connected to that woman that you used to be. But there's times when caught your memory.
Alright, so now let's go ahead and do the spider web. Set and Forget setting powder that I got from the beauty supply store.
I gotta remember I want you. I gotta remember I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't work. You see through that I just wanna do it. You're right, I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. Say you right, I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you.
NYX water liner, and I'm going to draw the spider web. So I'm only planning on doing the spider web on this eye, and I'm just gonna do, I think I'm just gonna do it under the eye. So I'm gonna use my picture that I already inserted for reference. I hope I don't mess up, because if I mess up, it's basically over.
I gotta remember I want you. I gotta remember I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't work. You see through that I just wanna do it. You're right, I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. Say you right, I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you, I want you. I gotta remember I want you. And it's just nerves, just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't work. You see through that I just want you. It's you and you're right, I want you. I gotta remember I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't work. You see through that I just want you. It's you and you're right. I can't stop it the other way, 'cause I know
I'm gonna take some of my jewels. I'm gonna take the black ones and the blue ones just to match the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna glue it to the web. My eyelash adhesive gel, the one that I use for my individuals, just because it doesn't stick to skin that well. It easily comes off, and I obviously want this to easily come off, so that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna dip some in the cup. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and open the jewels and get to decorating.
I gotta remember I want you. I gotta remember I want you. And it's just nerves, it's just dick, making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't work. You see through that I just wanna do it. You're right, I got my guy, but I can't help it. I want you. Say you right, I got my guy, but
Okay, this is taking forever, so I'm just gonna go off camera, finish it up, and I'll come back and show y'all what the finished look is. So I'll see y'all then.
don't believe in fairy tales, but we got a fantasy. That's me on the sheet.
And that is it, my beautiful darlings. This is the final spiderweb makeup tutorial. This was very, very tedious, and wow, this was a lot of work for this little spiderweb. The girl in the picture had two. I don't know how long she spent on it, but I could only do one, but it's still cute. I just ended my look by contouring my nose, adding some highlight here and there, and also doing my lips. I used my lipstick from Ada Beauty in shade I Am Perfect for this. This was actually sent to me by the company, and I really love this color, especially since I don't do color often, but it's really, really cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. This is not the only Halloween video or Halloween makeup tutorial that I'm doing, so stay tuned for the rest of them. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I think I'm crazy. I have been craving.